Okay, thanks for watching. The first thing I'm going to do with the Excel spreadsheet is show you how to pull out the number of occurrences or number of patients that will be in your study. Just going over my screen, what I have up here is I have the 5 years of pogo stick injuries. And I basically just copied and pasted all the pogo stick injuries into one Excel spreadsheet here. And at the top, I just changed the titles just so it looks a little bit nicer. At the top, we have the case numbers, treatment dates, age, sex, diagnosis, so forth, disposition, location. And kind of the easiest way to pull out the number of patients would be just look over here at this this column. You can scroll down to the bottom and you can say there's 154. You take off 1 because of the title, so there's actually 153 patients that had pogo stick injuries over 5 years. That's probably the easiest way. The other way you can do this is you copy the column, open up a new tab here. I'll just change the title to N, copy and paste that whole column here. And what we can do is I'll scroll in here. You can use one of the Excel functions, equals, count, double click count, which values you want to count. Click the first cell, click Control, Shift, and down. That will collect all the cells that have an actual value in it. Scroll to the top, close the parentheses. There's 153 cells that have a number in it. If you do the other count function, equals count A, hit the first cell, Control Shift down. Okay, so we've included all that. Close the parenthesis, equals the equal sign. You notice that the number is 154. That's because it counted this first cell that has numbers in it. So your actual number of patients is 153 patients. So you can say N equals 153. And that's it. Thanks.